Okay, so we're going to finish up some of these word problems. So, Coffee Cafe makes 90 pounds of coffee that costs $6 per pound. So they make 90 pounds of coffee that costs $6 a pound. The types of coffee used to make this mixture cost 7 per pound and 4 per pound. How many pounds of the $7 per pound coffee should be used in this mixture? So our two things. X is going to be the $7 coffee. Y, let's say, is the $4 coffee. Okay. They make 90 pounds of coffee that includes both of these. So our first equation is going to be X plus Y equals 90. The two kinds of coffee used, okay, the $7 kind of coffee and the $4 coffee. And it says that it costs $6 a pound. So, this is a little bit different. They use 90 pounds of it, but it costs $6 a pound. That's how much they sell it for. So that is the little difference right there. Is they did not give you this number, okay, but you have to understand that they make 90 pounds of coffee that costs $6 a pound. So when we put the price in for the $7 coffee and the $4 coffee, we need to realize that it's not 6 here for $6, but 90 pounds times $6. Okay? So if we were to rewrite this, 7x plus 4y equals 90 times 6 is going to be 540. So when you put these two equations into Desmos, you'll get the solution 60, 30. So therefore, if the answer is how many pounds of the $7 per pound coffee is used, that was the X value, my answer is going to be 60 pounds. Because that is the X value, the $7 coffee. So you might want to look at Desmos right now. Just hit pause, go to Desmos, put these two equations in, make sure you get this. And then remember the question was how many pounds of the $7 per pound coffee? Well, that was my X value. So my solution, the X value is 60. So make sure you're asking for help if you do not understand that one. All right, number 7 is going to be very similar to number 1, and number 10 is like it as well. So let's look at number 8. 8's a little different. Ayana has $2.35 in nickels and dimes. If she has 33 coins in all, find the number of nickels and dimes. So her total is $2.35 in nickels and dimes. So let's say that's X and that's Y. She has 33 coins in all. Okay? So X is nickels. Y is dimes. She has 33 coins in all. So there's my coins. My nickels plus my dimes equals 33 total coins. Now her value, she has $2.35. How much is a nickel worth? Nickel is 5 cents. Plus, how much is a dime worth? A dime is 10 cents. Make sure you have these decimals here. 5 cents, 10 cents, they're going to total up to $2.35. Here's your two equations. We need to find the number of nickels, and dimes, okay? So when we put this into Desmos, your solution comes to 1914. We said X was nickels, so you need to extend that 19 nickels and 14 dimes. That's the answer to the question. You need to answer the question when they on these word problems. Don't just get the solution to the system. Answer the word problem. All right, number 11, I'm sorry, because you can do number 7 and 10 by yourself. I'm going side to side. A landscaping company placed 2 orders with the nursery. So there's the 2 things. The first order was for 13 bushes and 4 trees. And the total was 487. So we know something's going to equal 487. The second order was for 6 bushes and 2 trees. And that total was 232. The bills do not list the per item price. What were the costs of 1 bush and 1 tree? All right, so if X equals bushes and Y equals trees, the first order was 13 bushes and 4 trees. 13 bushes and 4 trees. And it totaled 487. The second order was 6 bushes and 2 trees. And it totaled 232. Here's your 2 equations, your system. You get your answer is 2347, which meant the cost of a bush was $23. Oops, $23. And a tree was $47. All right, see if you can do the last 2 on your own. I'll give you a hint here. Your X is going to equal socks, and your Y is going to be shorts. And then on the last one for the questions, your X is the true, false, and your Y is the multiple choice. See if you can write the systems and solve to answer the word problems.